Hi, we're talking about descriptions. Why are these important in Calendly? When setting up your meeting or editing up your meeting, you can change the description. In that description, you can add instructions that you want to give to the client, or you can explain the process to the client using a description. So how do you change or add a description? You click your meeting and you go to more options, and then you just click description. Right now, I'm just going to paste a paragraph. The client will be able to see this paragraph as they are booking. You have an option to edit the text that's there. So we have an option to maybe make it bold or change some of the text to make it italic or to underline it so that we can emphasize things. We can make use of these editing tools like an ordered list, maybe a bullet list. You also have the option of adding a link to that. So the links can be to maybe material that you want the client to make use of. So just as an example, if you want to add a link, you just highlight there, you click the link, and then you put the URL there. So probably it's a link to a Google Drive where the person can read material that you want them to read before you have the meeting. So once you do that, you click insert and you've set up the description. So you save that and it's automatically sent to the booking link. So let's see what the landing page will look like. So if we click that link and we go to the consultation meeting or event, you'll see that here we now have the description, the bolded text and that text which is in italic or underlined text, and even the link there. If we click it, it works. So this is how you add information to the description so that the client can have access to it.